I found an awesome productivity hack that doubled my productivity yesterday, and I'm going to share it with you now. Hi, this is the check-in. My name is Jeff Corrett. I'm the founder of a company called SEO, and I am going to be inspiring you to achieve your own goals. And let's hop right into the check-in. So basically, my hack is I waited until late afternoon to check my email, right? And the theory here is that if something is really important, people are going to find a way to get in touch with me if it's an actual true emergency, whether it's Skype, whether it's text message, Facebook Messenger. Something's gonna get to me if it absolutely needs to get to me. So I waited until like 4 p.m. to check my email. And what was happening before? I was actually waiting until after lunch to check my email, and then my whole afternoon went to crap. And so I just tried, hey, let's try 4 p.m. And yeah, sure enough, I mean, my afternoon was one of the best I've ever had, and yeah, definitely gonna stick with that. And I don't think anybody necessarily expects instant replies from me on email. So, I think I promised like I'll reply within a business day or two. So like, it shouldn't be too big of a deal. And also check my email at night. I'd like to get to checking my email once a day. That'd be nice, but for now, I'm also checking at night. So I am checking it twice a day, but not until like most of my other stuff is done. Cool. So as far as what surprised me yesterday, just how calm and structured my workday was with that email stuff, and getting inspired. One of my buddies told me he watched all my videos, got some interesting feedback. That's always good to hear. What's up, Mike? I got frustrated yesterday. It seems like all my regular contractors are MIA this week. All of them from three different countries. My three main contractors are just like, what are y'all doing? I don't know. So hopefully that's gonna get corrected soon, and it just goes to show, have some backup plans ready, which I do, but I could improve there. And one thing I've been doing is just before I go to bed, planning the entire rest of the day, putting everything on that's important on the calendar, filling up my entire calendar. And then when I get started in the morning, makes my mornings a lot more productive as well. So 2 productivity hacks that have been working really good. Hey, enough about me. What's your favorite productivity hack? Let me know in the comments below. That's going to do it for the check-in. I'll see you soon. I'll check back in with you as soon as possible.